we are stabilized. We are stabilized to live our life in spite of this lockdown. To the extent we say, yes, lockdown has helped me. Lockdown has helped me into many things like building my relationship with my family. It has helped me to cool down. Lot of advantages you see hearing from the people. Lot of good things they are hearing from the people. So this is the role which is played by Red Cross, and I want you people of Goa to know, anytime there is a problem like this, Indian Red Cross Society is there. We've got our headquarters in Panjim, and almost in every taluka now we are having branches, so that we are trying to spread all over. And you know, Subhash has been doing a great work for Red Cross for the last 10-15 years. Ishan, the moment he joined, he's been doing a fantastic work. All of us have been doing that work, but all this time the work was very, very small because Goa never had such a calamity. Now is the time the calamity came up. This is one calamity of our lifetime. I don't think any one of us will ever face such a calamity. It is said it always comes in once in 100 years.
Whoever is a senior citizen who's living alone without any support in the house, we are providing them with whatever essentials they require, as well as medicine or any other support that they require. Second is pregnant women or women with children under the age of 5 who don't have anyone else in the house who can move outside. So to these kind of women also we are providing assistance. And lastly, genuinely poor and needy who do not have money to buy anything that they require. So these are the primary 3 sections which we are catering to right now. Apart from that, through our Red Cross headquarters, we have also distributed PPE kits, which is very much required for the doctors to be used. In fact, the other day, even through JCI and Red Cross Bardes, we have given around 50 kits at District Hospital, Mapsa. Apart from that, we've also got some face shields which are necessary. Vega company, which makes helmets otherwise, their shields they have provided, which are very much good, and that's a good thing we've received from them, and the doctors also are pretty happy using that particular part. And plus we have called in for more of these supplies. As soon as they come, we'll start distributing.
They've reached last night.
They've reached last night. So those also we will start giving out very soon. And apart from that, we have a few other volunteers with us who are working on preparing masks also. So what we do while we prepare those masks, while we were traveling across to help people, we found that a lot of police people did not even have masks. They were unfortunately using tissue papers, or they were using other kind of napkins and handkerchiefs, which is not really safe. So on the way we started giving out those to them, because of course they are also our frontline workers who are out there and who need a bit of safety. Right now on ground, right from North Goa to South Goa, across Goa we have more than 150 volunteers from Red Cross and along with JCI and other organizations, out of which around 1,500 people already we have managed to help virtually, right? That is through the platform itself, and more than 3,000 people we have been able to assist directly on face-to-face basis. So that's a brief statistic of what we've managed to do so far. And in this, we've got a lot of helping hands. Right now here in Mapsa, we are storing all the items that are coming through, especially the grocery items at Hotel Satyahira. I must really thank our Red Cross patron member Ashish Shirodkar, who has provided us with the space where we are keeping everything. And very soon, very quickly, within a day or two, all the stock which comes, we can just finish it off. Because we find so many people who are in need and genuinely in need, not just for the sake of it. And my humble appeal to everyone watching us out there is, if you come across anyone else who you think is genuinely in need, then please let us know. We will definitely reach out there and help them out.
त्यांच्याकडल्यान एकूच विशयाचा आपल्याक हेल्प करूंक जाय आनी कशें करूं, आनी ज्या प्रमाणे सुभाष सर, डॉक्टर दिगंबर सरान तशेंच ईशानान सांगलां, हांगासर जाय की व्हॉलंटियर्सांनी आपल्या पद्दतीन सॅनिटायज कसो जावपाचो, तो दुसऱ्याक हेल्प करतना एक तर तेणें आपणें थंयसरल्यान दुसरे कडल्यान डिजीज घेवंक जायना किंवा आपणें डिजीज पास ऑन करूंक जायना. हें खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. आयज म्हापशान ज्या प्रमाणे खूब व्हॉलंटियर्स भोंवतात, कडधान्य दिवपाक वयता, फोटो काडटात आनी पेपरार हेजेर घालतात, फेसबुकाचेर घालतात, ते करतना सेफ्टी मेंटेन करपाक जाय, हो विशय आसता. त्यामुळे आमी रेड क्रॉसान असो बी विशय आनी एका 2-4 दिसांनी घेवपाक सोदता हांकां सगळ्यांक घेवन, की वील हॅव टू टीच ऑल द व्हॉलंटियर्स टू स्टे सेफ, आनी ते गायड करूनच सगळे कोणू व्हॉलंटियर्स आसूं फक्त रेड क्रॉसाचेच जाय अशें ना, सगळ्या व्हॉलंटियर्सांक गाईड करूंक जाय आनी ते आमी रेड क्रॉस काम करतले. आनी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगचो जो विशय आसा म्हापशान किंवा अक्रॉस गोवा, अक्रॉस इंडिया, आमी म्हापशान एक पायलट प्रोजेक्ट रेड क्रॉसा मार्फत आनी मर्चंट एसोसिएशना मार्फत करपाक सोदता. बाजार सुरू जातलो आयज आनीक 15 दिसान मॅक्सिमम.
आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसतली की कोरोना व्हायरस ह्या व्हायरसान आयज जगान हाहाकार माजिल्लो आसा. भारताचेरूय एक मोठें संकट आयिल्लें आसा आनी ह्या संकटान मात करपा खातीर प्रत्येक जाण, प्रत्येक राज्य, प्रत्येक देश आपल्या परीन प्रयत्न करता. भारतान जेन्ना हो कोरोना व्हायरस आयलो तेन्ना भारत सरकाराच्या वतीनूय आपल्या परीन बरेच प्रयत्न जाल्ले आसा की हाचेर कसो आमी मात करया म्हणून. गोंयाचे जर आमी विचार केलो जाल्यार गोंयानूय हेची लागण जाल्ली आसा, तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसतली. पूण खुबश्या प्रमाणात तेचेर कंट्रोल आसा आनी ताचें सगळें श्रेय आमचे जे सगळे लोक आसात, नागरीक आसात, ज्यांच्यांनी तांकां जशी जशी तांकां एक शिटकावणी केली आनी त्या शिटकावणेचें ध्यान दवरून तांच्यांनी कंट्रोल हाडपाचो तेजेर प्रयत्न केलो. आयज सबंद देशान आनी आयज गोंयानूय इंडियन रेड क्रॉस सोसायटीचे व्हॉलंटियर्स बऱ्याच तरेन काम करतात. म्हाका दिसता एक अशी एक संस्था, इंडियन रेड क्रॉस सोसायटी एकूच अशी संस्था आसतली जेका सरकारान मान्यता दिल्या की तेचे व्हॉलंटियर्स आयज दोतोरा वांगडा, पुलिसां वांगडा सगळ्या गांवागांवांनी वचून लोकांक मदत करूं शकता.